not because our track is occupied by people walking on the track.